This is the English word Arabic, and this is the same equivalent word Al-Arabiya. Now, if you have a closer look on the English one, you'll find, as usual, a little space between each two letters in English. But if we looked at the Arabic one, you don't have that. There is a space sometimes, but most of the times you don't have a space or a gap. They are connected. And also you have these little signs on top of the letters and sometimes below. Why is that? My name is Muhammad Mustafa, and this is Right Arabic, and that's what we're going to know in this video. Now let's take this word and break it down. Now let's take the first letter over here, which is Alif. We call it Alif, and we have already explained all the Arabic letters in the previous video. Check it out. So now this one, Alif, okay, is originally just straight line like this, and it doesn't change that much. You can only attach it to a letter before, as we will explain later on. Okay, so as you have seen, not every single letter in Arabic is gonna change that big change. The second letter over here is what we call lam, and it's originally something like that. So basically, you just attach it, okay? Now, when we come to the third letter, which is this shape that you see, something like that over here, right? This shape. So it's originally something much different. It's a bar like this on top, and it's basically like a little tilted C, and then with a bigger C handle, as you can see, yeah? So this is basically the original shape of the letter Ain. But when you connect it, changes to be like this one. Yeah? So that's something you should learn about Arabic. The original or the separate shape is totally different than the connected shapes, like depends on the letter. Yeah, so it's something that you have to remember, something you have to remember. There is no certain rule for that, just certain letters changing that much and the others are not changing. For this one, which is Ra, letter number 4, so it's just the same as the original shape. Doesn't change that much, you just attach it to it, right? So it's a little bit of attachment, right? So if you combine both of these, you'll get this one. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Let's move to the one after. This one over here, which has a little dot below. And guys, I'm telling you, get back to the first video I made about the separate letters, because that will let you understand much better. So this one, which appears to be like this, only this, yeah, is originally or separately a complete whole shape like this with a little dot below. Okay, now this one with the two dots, okay, which looks like this in the word is originally Ya, which is the last letter in the Arabic alphabet, and it is a shape like this shape, Ya. And getting to the last one, which is Ta marbuta, and this one confuses some people. It looks like this in the word because we have Ta and Ha and they are similar. So Ta marbuta originally takes this shape when it's separate. Okay, so as you can see, you should, in order to learn Arabic and in order to be able to read or to pronounce or to speak Arabic, you should start with the basics, which are the letters when they are separate, and then how does it change? How does every letter change when you connect it? So that was it for this video. In the coming videos, I'll explain more. Let me know if you want me to explain more about how the letter shape changes when it's connected, and also these red signs, what does it mean and how to read. Give this video likes, subscribe for the channel because I have a lot coming. Support this channel, guys, because inshallah I intend to do more and more videos. And let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions, any questions. See you.